Welcome, friends. Have you realized the importance of your eyes and the power of eye contact? In today's competitive world, when you are facing interviews or interacting with a high value customer, every second counts. In such situations, effective communication skills are critical. And one key aspect that can't be overlooked is your eye contact. It's not just about staring, it's about demonstrating involvement, confidence, and respect. However, we understand that maintaining eye contact can be a challenge when your nerves come into play. More so when you are the one being interviewed. I'm Group Captain Ranjit Isaac, an Indian Airforce veteran, a performance mentor, and I will guide you today on the right way of using your eyes and developing the power of eye contact. So, let's learn the effective way of keeping eye contact. This is where the triangle method steps in. It's a straightforward but yet incredibly effective technique that helps you maintain eye contact and present yourself confidently and likably during an interview or a customer interaction. Come, let's explore how mastering this technique can help you secure your dream job. Normally, we focus our attention on an individual during a prolonged discussion. Like in an interview, our eyes become wider than usual, and this is coupled with reduced blinking and becomes a stare. This can become quite embarrassing. So the key rule about eye contact you need to keep in mind is etiquettes require you striking a balance between maintaining eye contact and avoiding it from becoming a stare. Overly intense eye contact or staring comes across as intimidating or aggressive. Thus, it's perfectly acceptable to momentarily look away to gather your thoughts or show empathy. This can create a more comfortable interaction, but balance is the key. The triangle method is a process for maintaining eye contact naturally without being labeled as a stare. It involves shifting your gaze between the eye and the eyebrows of the person you're speaking with. Here is how it works. Begin with maintaining a relaxed eye contact with the person's eye for a few seconds. Shift your attention to the center of their eyebrow. Imagine there is a bindi on the forehead of that individual. Next, return your focus to their eyes. Repeat this process of alternating between the eye and the eyebrow. Eye and the eyebrow. Let's try this with an example. Look at the face on the screen. Presume it's the individual you are interacting with in a professional context. Say this complete sentence which is flashing on your screen, directly looking into its eye. In my opinion, there is a requirement of changing your thought process on the way we are approaching this problem, sir. Yes. Did you notice your eyes becoming wider? Now repeat the sentence starting first with the eye, then moving to the center of the eyebrow and back to the eye. Let's repeat the sentence once more. In my opinion, there is a requirement of changing your thought process on the way we are approaching this problem, sir. Is it not more relaxing? Try this exercise with a friend. You can feel the stare and how it changes into a relaxed interaction. Giving an impression can make the other person feel uncomfortable, especially if he or she is from the opposite sex. So, by transitioning your gaze between the eye and the eyebrow, you keep the conversation flowing without discomfort. The triangle method works wonders because it lets you maintain a natural eye contact which displays confidence, likability, and further showcases your genuine engagement. The study published in the Journal of Personality and Individual Differences has found that there is no doubt that the eye contact enhances perceived communication quality, but it also influences outcomes of negotiations. In a nutshell, The triangle method is the go-to strategy for mastering eye contact and showcasing confidence and likability during an interview. By following the eye contact etiquette and harnessing the triangle method, you can make an unforgettable impression and land on your dream job. As I sign off today, remember, every moment matters in an interview or in a high-pressure negotiations. So practice and master the triangle method. Join my free webinar sessions where we practice and work out on strategies to build brand you and deliver performance beyond expectations. Jai Hind.